Hello students, in this video we will learn how to insert a node at last position in circular singly linked list. First we see the logic of insertion of node in circular singly linked list at last position, then we will write algorithm according to it. Case 1 is when circular singly linked list is empty, that means last equals to null. In that case we have to create a new node, then store data value into data field of P and store address of P into link field of P, because this is a circular linked list, so node will point to itself when there is a single node in circular singly linked list. Last always stores the address of last node, as this is first as well as last node of this circular singly linked list, so we have to store the address of 800 into last instead of null. So we have to write last equals to P. Case 2 is when circular singly linked list is not empty, that means value of last is not equals to null. So we want to insert this node after the last node of circular singly linked list. First we have to store the data value into data part of the new node. Then we have to update the link part of the P. As I told you, first we have to initialize the P node, then we update the pointer field of other nodes. As this node will become the last node of circular singly linked list, so we have to store the address of first node into link part of this node. As we know that link part of last node always contains the address of first node, so we have to write P arrow link equals to last arrow link, because the address of first node always is stored in link part of the last node, so we have to write P arrow link equals to last arrow link. So 700 is stored in link part of P. Now we have to change the link part of this node with the address of new node, because next of this node is this inserted new node. So we have to write last arrow link equals to P. Last arrow link equals to P, that means the address of this node will be stored in link part of this node. Now after insertion of this node will become the last node, so we have to update the last pointer with the address of this node. So we have to write last equals to P, that means now last is pointing to this node. So this node is pointing to this node and this node is pointing to first node. So after insertion, circular singly linked list contains 4 nodes. First node having value 10, second having value 20, third node having value 5 and fourth node having value 50, and last points to this new node. In this way we insert a node at last position in circular singly linked list. Now we have to write the algorithm. For that we have to write algorithm colon, name of algorithm is C insert underscore last, that means we are inserting a node at last position in circular singly linked list. We require 2 parameters, last and x. Purpose of this algorithm is, this algorithm inserts a value at last position in circular linked list. Assumptions are last is pointed to last node and x is value to be inserted. In step 1 we create a new node from memory. For that we have to write P colon equals to new node. If P equals to null, that means there is no empty node available in memory, so we have to print no empty node available in memory and exit from this algorithm. But if empty node is available in memory, then the address of that empty node will be assigned to P. In step 2 we have to store value into new node, so we have to write P arrow data equals to colon equals to x. Step 3 is, if circular linked list is empty, then new node P becomes the first node of circular linked list. As we know that when circular linked list is empty, the value of last equals to null. So if the value of last equals to null, then we have to make this node P is the first node of this circular linked list, or you can say that this will become the single node of the circular linked list. For that we have to store the address of P into the link part of P, as P points to itself to make this linked list circular, and we have to store address of P into last and exit from this algorithm. These steps I explained in case 1. Step 4 is, if circular linked list is not empty, then store address of first node into link field of P. As this P node will become the last node of circular linked list, so we know that in link part of last node always contains the address of first node. So we have to store address of first node, that is last arrow link, into link part of P. So we have to write P arrow link equals to last arrow link. In step 5 we update link field of last node by address of new node. So we have to write last arrow link equals to P, and in step 6 we update the last pointer by address of new node P. So we have to write last equals to P, and step 7 is AND. These steps I explained in case 2. In next video we will see insertion of node at a specific position in circular linked list. Thank you.